I'm Joshua. Today I made a marble run and the Interactive Workbook.
From the activity of the Interactive Workbook.
Just show me the things you need, how to make it.
Okay. What is this? This is cardboard, right? And
Yeah.
this is the paper roll from the toilet paper.
Yeah.
And this is what?
Craft sticks.
Craft sticks. Okay. And this is another cardboard. Okay. And another box. A box that's trying to catch the marble. Okay, let's go. Woo! A little bit fast. Try again. Ooh, stuck. Okay, try again. Yeah, finally success. So experiments require keep trying, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Bye.